Hi world, today I'm going to show you how to make your kind of thick slime into glossy jiggly slime. This slime is thick and it's not jiggly at all. See? It's like you touch it and it's jiggly. Let's go. The things that you'll need for this project is thick non-jiggly slime, a container, and a bowl of water. First, take your non-thick slime and your water, pour a little bit of water in there. So it's like that. And just play with it. It's gonna be like really slippery, so that's how you make your thick slime into thin, jiggly slime. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to become a part of the fun family. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!